So on today's video we're taking a look at the brand new Limitless 5.0 cases by Mous for the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro. Quite a lot of things have changed. So what we've got here, we've got the Limitless 5.0 range for the Pixel 7. Now it does also come in a black leather, which I don't have here, but you can all see that on the website. This is the silver pearl, aramid fibre and the walnut colour. All classics in terms of the Mous designs. So nothing new in terms of designs. And then we've got the Pixel 7 phone in lemongrass, which is such a nice colour in my opinion. Don't mind this, this is just a camera glass protector. Some people like it, some people don't. But that's not what we're talking about today. What we're talking about today is these new cases and how, first of all, how good they are. And then second of all, we're going to compare them to the Pixel 6 cases by Mous, which are the Limitless 3.0 versions. Because there are a few differences. So on the inside we've got this soft microfiber material, which is always nice when you've got a glass phone because you want something soft against that glass. Not so much for the fact of it scratching it, but more so if you do drop your phone and there is impact, if there is something trapped in between the case and the phone, like even just small rocks or something that's managed to get in somehow and you don't have this soft material, that could cause enough pressure to impact the glass and cause a crack, which is what we don't want. Throughout the case we've got Mous's proprietary aero shock material for that shock absorption, and that goes for all of the cases. And now let's pop the phone in and we'll take a look at the rest of the stuff. So first of all, I've got to say, compared to the Pixel 6 series cases, these Pixel 7 series are so much thinner. You can see it, but you can definitely feel it. When you're holding the Pixel 6 and then when you're holding the Pixel 7, so much more comfortable to hold the Pixel 7 in the case. So we've got them grooves on the side. Now if you've watched my Mous videos for the iPhone cases, these are going to be basically the same changes. So we've got the grooves on the side for the extra grip. We've got the nice precise cutouts on the bottom. We've got that camera protection, which is always good. And then we've got these redesigned buttons. Now how the buttons looked like before, they were like that. The buttons weren't bad by any means, but these new buttons are much better and so much more tactile. On the iPhone version of these Limitless cases, the buttons were a bit jiggly, but on these Pixel series cases, I've got to say, not much jiggle at all. Such a nice fit. You also got holes in the bottom there if you want to put in a lanyard and then put your phone in that way and carry it, which is always good stuff. And then when we look at protection, if you look, you can see how much on the top and the bottom is like a curved lip to keep that slim factor throughout the middle as you're holding it, but also give you that protection that if you do drop it face down, the top and the bottom is going to be enough to raise the device off the ground and not damage it. Now that we've got through the basic stuff, which I've also got to say, if you do like any of the stuff in this video, in terms of the Mous products, they're having a huge sale at the minute, which is not just for the Pixel series cases, it's for the whole website, their Black Friday sale. And on top of that, top of the discount they're giving you, you can also use my discount in the comments box below, which will give you an additional 15% off. So if you were ever looking to buy a Mous product, this is probably the best time to do it. Links and codes are going to be in the description box below and comments box, so be sure to check that out if you decide you want to get yourself one. Now on to the most, should I say, the best feature or upgrade on these cases that I have seen is on the Pixel 6 series, you had the magnets on the back, but the magnets were for the Limitless 3.0 and they were just proprietary for the Mous magnetic products. So like the wallet they had for that and the wireless charging magnetic stand they had for that. However, now that they've worked with Google to make sure the alignment of the MagSafe and everything is precise, you can use your favorite MagSafe accessories which you may have, or your family members may have, or your friends may have, that worked on the iPhone, and now they work perfectly fine on the Pixel as well. So we've got voiceful power bank, which you may have seen in my video, worked perfectly fine. It's quite strong as well. We've got the Banks power bank, which you may have seen in one of my videos, also magnetizers on there. And these are all power banks that use wireless charging, which you can charge your Pixel 7 with. And then we've got the Momax wireless charge. That's a bit heavier, which does usually happen like that. But all these wireless chargers will now work on your Pixel 7, as well as your MagSafe accessories like wallets and whatnot that you might have had from your iPhone, which is such a good thing because a lot of people might be transitioning from iPhone to Pixel, and they might have a load of MagSafe accessories that they've purchased for the iPhone that they now don't know what to do with. Well, now if they get a mouse case on their Pixel, they can use all their favorite all their favorite MagSafe accessories on there as well. So, like I said, if you are interested in getting these cases, it's such a nice case. So if I just put the phones side by side like this, you can see that the Pixel 7 is quite a bit slimmer, which it might be minimal when you're looking at it on video like this, but like I said before, if you manage to get your hands on both and hold them at the same time, you'll definitely notice that the Pixel 7 one is so much more redefined, and the improvements they've made has just made the case 10 times better than it was before. Definitely a go-to, probably one of my top 5. If I was to ever get a Pixel 7 case, mouse would probably be in the top 5 without a doubt. And like I said, you've got different designs as well. So if you want to grab yourself one, follow the link and discount code in the description, get yourself a nice little cheeky discount. And stay tuned, more case videos coming soon. If you've got any questions about these cases, whether it be compatibility or anything like that, leave them in the comments box below and I'll be sure to answer as many as I can. So thank you for watching, catch you on the next one and have a great day.